Okay, so my granddaughter just got some new skates, and we got a helmet for her, and then it comes with this helmet and some fun stickers, and it comes with knee pads, elbow pads, and then it comes with the wrist guards. Okay, so here's a quick look at the set close up. The helmet comes with stickers, but she wanted some different ones, so we got some different stickers for it, but it's a nice protection, pretty good quality. It has a nice thick foam in here. It also has some padding on the head right here, and then on the back right here. It has this adjuster, so it'll adjust to their head perfectly. And then it comes with 2 knee pads, 2 elbow pads, and 2 wrist guards. And these have lots of padding, good support. The Velcro is really strong on these. All right, so let's go put these on her. Okay, she is getting ready to skate, so she's putting the wrist guards on right now. All right, so she is all ready and set to skate, and here's her helmet on. So I went and got my skates also. Here she is all decked out, and we started skating together. This is a great set, a good price, and good quality. We are definitely happy with it.